Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Melbet bonus. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is to click directly on the menu icon at the bottom right, and next you are going to click first of all on your account balance. Next, as you are going to have a bonus due to the promo code set earlier, you are going to find out your bonus account. So you are just going to click on it and you will find out all the money you have in your bonus account. The next, what you are going to do is to click on sports and then on pre-match. Then you are going to select any pre-match and select any outcome and directly add it to your bets. Now you are going to find out that here is your bet slip. And once in your bet slip, you have to verify that none of your matches are with an odds less than 1.3. So once this is done, so you're just going to enter any stack for your bet, and then you're going to click on bet. Once this outcome is successful and that you earn your money, it will be sent directly to your main account. So you're just going to head back directly to the menu icon, then to click on the setting icon at the top right. Next, you're going to click on withdraw from account, and you can withdraw your money normally by any of the withdrawal method available on Melbet. And it's as simple as that.